मद्रास हाई कोर्ट ने कथित पुलिस हिरासत में पिता पुत्र की मौत की पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आने के बाद प्राइमा फेसी एविडेंस के आधार पर सतनाकुलम पुलिस पर एफआईआर दर्ज करने को कहा है। मिरांडाओं के हाथ लगे कोर्ट के ऑर्डर की कॉपी में साफ लिखा है कि अगर कोर्ट ने तुरंत कार्रवाई नहीं की तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी। इस बीच अवमानना के आरोपों का सामना कर रहे 3 पुलिस अधिकारियों को आरोपों का जवाब दाखिल करने के लिए 4 हफ्ते का समय भी दिया गया है। इन पुलिस अधिकारियों पर जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट की जांच को बाधित करने का आरोप लगा है। प्रमोद माधव हमारे साथ ज्यादा जानकारी के साथ इस समय जुड़ रहे हैं। प्रमोद, so today CBCID is going to take over the probe and the biggest question in everybody's mind right now is that when an FIR will be registered in this case. Remember, it has been 8 days and there has been no case against those brute cops.
Well, actually, it is true, and just like you mentioned, the Madras High Court, the Madhuri bench has made it very clear that like every second the thing is being delayed, there is a chance of evidence being destroyed because of the way the police have reacted so far. In fact, as you might know, the policeman actually did not even behave well with the magistrate who has recorded it completely and mentioned 3 police officers, 2 senior officers, and 1 constable's name on his report as well. So based on it, the case has, the Madras High Court Madhuri bench yesterday directed the Tirunelveli CBCID to take over the case, and the case details were given in the evening to Mr. Anil Kumar, who's actually the DSP for CBCID Tirunelveli. And anytime right now, today morning, we are expecting that a case would be registered and the CBCID will begin the investigation on the alleged custodial death of Jayarajan Venix in Satanakulam.
Right. Also, Pramod would like to know, yesterday court made some scathing observations as far as this case is concerned. If you can just run us through those observations, what exactly court said?
Well, there was 3 important observations that was made by the Madras High Court Madhuri bench yesterday. The first one is that you have to understand that it's been 8 days and the Tamil Nadu government has not yet filed any FIR against the alleged cops who are involved in this alleged custodial death. But the court made it very clear that just the preliminary autopsy report and the magistrate report was enough to cannot carry prima facie evidence to file the case charges. So that is a first and very important observation. The second thing is that the court actually has given 4 weeks time for these 3 officers in the area with the magistrate, and they can have their own individual lawyers and provide explanation as to why they did so. And the third and very important one here is that the Madras High Court has very clearly mentioned that there were injury marks attached to the preliminary autopsy report and the magistrate report, whereby one eyewitness has also come forward and said that the father and son were brutally beaten inside the police station at Satanakulam. Even the blood splatters are still in many places the police station. So considering this over, the Act Court had immediately instructed the CBCID to initiate the investigation.
राइट प्रमोद, शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए और ये सारी जानकारी देने के लिए। तो आज बड़ा दिन है, CBCID इस मामले में जांच शुरू करेगी। प्रमोद माधव लगातार इस केस पर नजर बनाए हुए हैं, मेरा नाम की भी नजर लगातार इस केस पर बनी हुई है, लगातार अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहिए। छोटे